Okay, it's recording.
Wait, you want me
Okay, go, go, go! Let's see it!
to...
Oh,
Oh, gee!
let's let's go see the damage.
Let's go evaluate. Ow. Let's go
Oh my
evaluate it.
gosh! Oh my gosh! The first line of defense, which was the mob, got obliterated.
Yeah, he's gone. He doesn't exist anymore.
Well,
SWAT
you did
police
not
thing.
shoot. You did not get the SWAT badge. It's still in good condition.
See, yeah, I kind of veered off a little bit. My truck could have definitely gone further, but all your stuff was pushing me to the side.
I saw that. I was free camming.
Yeah, that was pretty satisfying, especially as the driver. Oh, the police guys are kind of discombobulated, and the whole police team got destroyed. Not only SWAT trucks are just.
Well, you obliterated the riot police.
Yeah, I think that's a sufficient amount of destruction.
You obliterated the other SWAT thing.
I think I could.
The barriers are still alive.
I totaled 1, 2, 3.
These SWAT
4.
trucks got hit by debris.
I totaled 4 though, like completely just demolished.
Hey Canadian,
And then
these 2 SWAT trucks basically protected everything from the debris.
it basically that massive ball. Except for part of my
flip
plow.
over SWAT truck.
Yeah, that's not the greatest. These cars are just fine.
Yeah, the only thing that happened was they got hit by debris.
Yeah, a little bit of debris.
So your truck has seen better days.
It's still some decently intact. Considering how much it just rammed through, it's still decently intact.
Like the ram plow is gone.
The ram plow is gone, but look at the front.
It's still okay, but
the side I can't say the same about. And the cab.
Oh gosh. That is bad.
Yeah, this is. Let me just take a screenshot of this for fun. I just gotta.
Okay,
so
this SWAT truck is still good condition. This police car is kind of in a good condition.
There's only like 1 SWAT truck that was completely undamaged.
Wait, I accidentally deleted the SWAT truck.
Oh, oops. It's basically like that anyway. That one was like completely undamaged. Why is there a little tykes? It's not a little tykes, but it's a small. What is this?
I just found that on the workshop.
Okay.
Okay,
These
the
barriers
got flipped over
instantly. There's part of my truck inside the tire of that one.
Yeah, I saw that. Oh,
it just fell out. Oh, and it fell into the shadow realm. I can see part of my plow inside the little ball of bodies. I don't see any of my plow anywhere else other than like by my truck.
The SWAT trucks in front sacrificed themselves, and the people in front.
Yeah, for no good reason.
Just laying on the floor, dead. Hey,
yeah,
there's a guy over here.
Demolished.
And there's the dead guy over here.
Noob.
Oh damn!
Imagine dying.
His legs got cut in half.
Skill issue.
his arm is not so good, and he lost his other arm.
Skillish. He could have just moved the truck out of the way.
And the turrets are still active. But
yeah, except for the ones. Well, one side is pretty much fine, and the side that got hit is just evaporated. This guy right here.
Lucky.
This guy over here probably crapped himself 6 ways to Sunday.
He got lucky today.
Imagine if the truck made SCP-096 noises. That'd be terrifying.
Oh, damn.
Like the screeching as it came closer to you. It got louder and faster. That's...
Let's go see the damage of this area. We haven't seen this area yet.
Yeah.
Okay, this guy lost his torso. We can see his bones.
That sounds like a skill. Why are none of these guys are like just formed? They're still holding their pepper spray beautifully.
Oh.
Yeah.
This one got obliterated.
Yeah. Oh, jeez.
Oh. Oh wait. Oh, where's the guy that was in front of everything?
Yeah. Oh, I think I see one of his pieces. Nope.
Where?
Never mind. Oh, yeah. I see a single red tile.
Wait, come. Wait, come. I think I found a piece. Oh! Is he under here?
Is he under there? Bro, I saw a single red tile. Wait, look on the map for him.
Hey,
just
I
click
found
on
a piece of him!
Hey, you did?
I think so.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if it's part of the, I don't know if it's part of the, you know.
What did he say? Bruh, sorry, I have to restart PC now. Yeah, oh, he's gonna come back and be like, what happened?
Well, this blockade, has been,
sufficiently obliterated.
These
The
two these two SWAT trucks, just basically...
I mean, that definitely was way more satisfying than the crash into the police station that had simulated for me. Like, maybe this would have been a better ending.
Well,
and also,
these two SWAT trucks just covered all the debris.
Yeah, they kind of just turned into a shield. If they weren't there, the carnage would have been even more. Even so, somehow they survived.
The roof of this SWAT truck is like...
I bet you the bomb is like in here, this little ball of bodies.
Wait, wanna look for survivors?
Yeah. Yo, this guy looks fine.
That's one survivor.
These guys are probably fine. They don't look that bad. Oh my god. Look at this middle guy.
Whoa! Nah, I'm not gonna post it on YouTube, bro.
No!
You're canceled.
Oh.
Hey, Canadian.
Yeah.
These 4 people are still alive. These 4 SWAT members are still alive. But this one too, he got so lucky. His other SWAT members are dead.
Yeah, the guys that were like right next to him. Bro was probably having a talk and then he just evaporated.
Let me just create some damage. Oh, yeah, come on, nothing.
I like how it literally just... I like how the truck just went clean through... Actually, hold up. Let me just finish the job.
Wait, what do you mean finish? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I just gotta...
Finish the job!
And I'm gonna do it, little bit of help this time. Little bit of help.
Hey, you missed. Hey, you killed the guy that. Hey, the wall survived.
The wall
You
survived.
obliterated the other SWAT van.
Yeah, I destroyed that one guy. I literally tapped him.
Why'd you get him? He was supposed to be the main character.
Because I
for a
couldn't let
second.
him be the one lucky one. I had to be even with everybody. You know, like
That's
treating
true.
people unequally is not fair. Oh wait, so that also means it also means I have to, you know.
Yeah. Canadian,
Ugh.
I'm gonna go get dipped. I'll be back in a while.